Welcome to the demo of EduAI Lab. This is your dashboard. This displays the information about the courses enrolled, the lab hours, experiment achievements, the in-progress lab, the recommended lab, and your achievements, the upcoming sessions, and our AI mentor insights. Now, if we go to labs, we have four kinds of labs at the moment: physics lab, chemistry lab, mathematics lab. I'll show you each of them. In physics lab, currently the working lab is projectile motion lab. Here we have a ball and we can adjust the launch angles, adjust the initial velocity, the mass, as well as the air resistance and the wind speed, as you can see. Yeah. Now, if we press launch, there you go. This is the trajectory of the ball. Now, remember this, okay? It touched 90 meters. Now, if we increase the initial velocity, reset it, and then launch it again, it has gone out of the frame. That is, it is reaching above and beyond 100 meters. Here are basic analysis like max height, range, time of flight, current velocity, target distance, etc. And the forces that are being applied on the ball. Now, in chemistry lab, we have three working labs. First one is acid-base reactions. If we enter this lab, the current pH, because it is a neutral solution, the current pH is 7. Now, if we increase the acid concentration and run, now as you can see, as the acid concentration is high, the pH value is decreasing. Decreasing. Now I'll pause the reaction. It will give you the current readings, the pH value, the concentration of H plus ions, and the time that has taken, and all the calculations. For all the calculations, these are the values that have been given. Now we can also chat with Gemini here. So for suppose if I ask what is the pH of NaOH solution in water. There you go. It gives all the information about the NaOH ions. Now, in chemistry lab, we also have the redox reaction lab, in which we have to select the perfect parameters such that the redox reaction occurs and we get the uh, optimized results. If I increase the temperature too much and I decrease the concentration, now this is not an optimal parameter to set. So now if I start, here as you can see, I'm only getting 100 points because the reaction has completed, but it was not optimized. Now if I set it at optimized levels, that is 0.1 molar concentration and 27 degrees the temperature. Now if I reset and now I start. So as you can see, I'll get more points for this. There you go. I can also check my points in the leaderboard section. Here, and this is my user currently demonstration. It is at 584 points. This is the leaderboard. 9 courses. We currently have 2 courses, mathematics and chemistry. In mathematics courses, it is currently not working. And if we go to chemistry course, the redox reaction, suppose I go to oxidation and reduction, and here are the concepts, formulas, practice. We can also practice each question. Yeah, so that is it for the demo. Thank you so much.